Hello guys, my name is Willie Jasin. I work with Afribot Robotics as the CEO. Today we are at Light International School for our weekend robotics and coding program. If you are a school, if you are a student who is really interested in robotics, then let's partner to push this forward. Today we'll be having an inter-school challenge for junior school, high school, and also the elementary one. So let's get in, we show you what we have for you. The idea was to expose these learners to robotics and coding. And we have pre-built kits that we also gave a few groups that had zero idea into coding and robotics. And we were able to walk with them the journey of how do you program a robot based on the graphical programming interface. So like dragging blocks for events, when this robot starts working, what is that first activity that you need to do? Maybe move a motor forward and how to change that motor. Maybe whenever you move forward, if you realize that it's moving in an opposite direction, how to go to settings and get to select the right direction for your motor before you proceed with stacking the most of the blocks. And they were also able to learn how to inspect your code in C and also Python programming language. So these are very great platform for learners and also for parents to get to expose their children. So if I was a new parent and I'm looking for a school, I'd probably go to a school that already has coding amongst other clubs in the as an extracurricular activity. Afribot Robotics is a research and integration company. We focus on education and automation. Some of the projects we do in-house as automation, we are working on a pest and weed control robot in partnership with E4 Impact in Nairobi. And that is one of the projects that is very, very close to our hearts. Today we are at Light International School as in our educational programs. We invited schools around to come and have a challenge with us. So we had different challenges for the beginners, that is the lower primary group, the middle school as well as high school. So the challenges were from easy, easier and easiest, now depending on the age of the learners and also the exposure that they've had to robotics and coding. We had different schools come here, right from Shah, we had Rosen School, we had so many other schools, including the host, which is a Light International School. we got to see the different projects that kids are building, and actually there are some kids who managed to build some project that I didn't imagine before. And that was really, for me, that was really a lot of creativity and hard work and also teamwork. Today we invited schools you're working with in Mombasa to join us for the Interschool Robotics Challenge. And we had different challenges for the elementary school, middle school and high school. So due to the high numbers that we had today, we split them into 3 classes. So this is one of the classes that we were using today, the robotics lab at Light International School. So I'll do a brief introduction of the team members that are working here. So starting with my far right.
My name is Martin Damian. Here I'm a trainer. I have a group of 2 kids, Yash and Aiden. We're working on a project called the Gripper, and we're going to show you what it does in a moment.
Thank you so much, Mr. Martin. And we have the second group here, and your name, please.
My name is Ahad, and the project working on is a cool monster truck. 2 teachers were helping me, so then I'm done with it, so then I could show you.
Great, and then we have also Daniel. Yes, maybe just an introduction, and yes.
So I'm making a guitar here. Okay.
Yes, so Daniel is working on a guitar project. Great, Daniel.
My name is Ahmed, and I'm building this robot today, and then its controls are going in front and left and right.
My name is Amani. This is a robot that has 2 wheels, but it's nice too.
Wonderful. So thank you so much. In a moment, we'll show you how everything will be rolling out. At the end, we were able to, the kids were able to showcase whatever they've built from the primary group, those who are just getting started to knowing how to use a computer. With us is group 2. As I mentioned earlier, we had more students and we had to split them into 3 groups. So this group, they were working on obstacle avoiding robots, and they'll be showing us how they've built the robot and programmed them. So with me are our trainers and also teachers from Rosen School. So maybe just...
My name is Mr. Simbiro, and I'm glad to be part of this team. Our learners are very happy about robotics. They have learned how to code, and it's a way of solving problems. So the challenges are good. Let's see what they have for us here. Thank you.
I'll be handing it to our trainers who are training the learners to take the program. So welcome, Mr. Ken.
Hello everyone. My name is Munene Ken from Afribot Robotics. We have been training the students on how to program the robot to perform the autonomous navigation while avoiding the obstacles. And the students are ready, and let's see what they have to offer.
I am Carol. I'm also one of the trainers. So we've been here at Light International since morning, and it has been fun teaching the students. So I'll now see what they have learned.
Nancy Chebi. I'm one of the trainers in Afribot, and we've had fun with the children from Rosina. I hope they have enjoyed, and what we'll say that we'll have to ask some parents is bring your children to learn robotic. It's something very interesting since it's going to control the future. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Michaela Ngao. I'm from Rosina Junior School. I'm with my team Zamzam, Chloe and Mariam, and we are going to try out our robot. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Group 2?
My name is Troy. I'm from Rosen Academy. I came with my group Alamin, and I'm ready to test my robots.
Group 3?
Hello, my name is Fahad Abdulaziz. I'm from Rosina Junior School, and we are here to try our robots with our group, me and Safdin.
Great, thank you so much. Group 4?
My name is Amina Ali Omar. My school is Rosina Junior School. I want to say my members, Shuaib, Jaden and Aiden.
Before we start, maybe we can have also a group photo with all the participants before the challenge.
monster truck car. It moves to any direction. So then, this is a monster truck. So then I made a big monster truck because I like big cars and it can move nicely. So thank you.
How long did you take it to build it?
It took me like 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay, thank you.
Yes, we also have a representation from Rosen Academy. So kindly introduce yourself and share with us your feedback on the program.
Okay, my name is Dennis Sako. I'm from Rosen Academy. Today we are very much pleased to be part of your session of the robotics. Yeah, the kids are actively engaged in it and they are looking forward towards another visit. What I'll also and only need to urge is parents to enroll their kids to come in for more robotics. Since the future, in this era of the nanotechnology, the future depends on the robotics. Now that we have a new citizen in Saudi Arabia who is purely robotic, we hope that in the near coming years, we are going also to introduce our robotics also with these young brains, since they are aspiring to make their own robots. They are very much happy and we are pleased, and they are also actively in it. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, and we are looking forward to having another event. This year we'll be hosting the World Robot Contest, the African Championship, and we'll be having Rosen as well. So we do have robotic resources to support such learners who are just beginning. Like for example, we had babies as young as 3 and 4 year old who are using Wise Child Kit to learn assembly at the same time to learn how to program using a smart pen. We had learners of ages around 6 who are using Alpha X Kit to learn how to quickly assemble a robot and program a robot to do different tasks. The junior secondary school and the high school group, they've used different other kits because we invited them to come with their kids and use the kits here. So you can see we have a few of the solutions that I managed to carry with me. This is one of the designs that I really love because there's a lot of creativity. Look at this other kit that was using now. Instead of the ordinary ultrasonic sensor, they were using a camera to actually get to map the obstacles and avoid the obstacles. Yes, we are here at Light International School, and we had this activity. We invited schools and friends that we work with around in Mombasa to come and have a challenge with us. So we had categories for the junior primary school. We also had something for the upper primary school, as well as junior secondary school and upper senior secondary school or high school. So with me is Mr. Sahir. So just give you a brief intro about himself and the kind of activities that we also do together during the week. So welcome, sir.
Thank you. My name is Said Ahmed, and I do work here at Light International School. So at Light International School, we don't only focus on academics, but also we do have extracurricular activities. We have quite a number of clubs here, and we have indoor clubs and outdoor clubs. For the outdoor clubs, they focus more about the physical activities, and for the indoor clubs, those are the mind games. Mostly they comprise of the mind games. We are lucky to have a robotics club as one of the club here, and we normally have trainings every Wednesday, and we are working closely with Afribot Robotics. We also have external trainers. Robotics is a nice club which engages learners. It promotes their critical activities. These learners of today, they do have much in their mind, but they need a platform to showcase their
their skills and talents. Also, we are lucky to have Afribot Robotics. They do use this as their center every Saturday. So every Saturday we have other schools who join us for those who don't have the kids. So they come here trained by the Afribot Robotics. Yep. So today we had a community tournament, and it was a nice activity. We had several school students. They have enjoyed. They have showcased much of their talents.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Sahid. We are looking to have much of this in the coming future. This year again, we'll be hosting the African Championship of the World Robot Contest. And yes, we'll be taking it to Nairobi, but the team that will be coming from Mombasa is going to be a very strong team. As you know, last year we had it in Mombasa. It will be a great experience also for teams coming from Mombasa to travel and also interact with other students out. So next month we'll be having another mini challenge with learners around Mombasa. Yes, so we also have a representation from Shah. So he'll introduce himself and share with us his feedback on the program.
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm Eric Yada from Shah, a teacher of computing and ICT. I'm very glad to be here. I really want to thank Afribots for giving this chance that we may experience robotics firsthand. This is where the world is going. We talk about artificial intelligence. It is very much in order that we expose these children to this kind of knowledge as early as possible. Yeah, I came here in the morning. We've taught the children. They've really enjoyed themselves. They've really gained a lot of knowledge. And I'm very sure going forward, they are going to make use of the knowledge that they've got to advance even further in creating robots and coding robots and moving our world towards artificial intelligence. This is the way to go. Mr. Jasin, you are doing a great work. May you really keep it on, and we really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Eric.
Hello guys, my name is Emmanuel. I'm in charge of events in Afribot, and today we have had some events in international school, and the turn-up was really encouraging. The main event is yet to happen, but we'll always have small events every month in different schools across Mombasa, and we have started at Light, and we shall go across different schools in Mombasa. So here today with me are some of my team. They are all here, and they have helped me out to create some of the robots that you have seen here. And we also have some other robots also in the other side of the tournament. And we are grateful for today's activities have been a success. We have also had some new students that join our group, and we are grateful. And for that, we shall be continuing to do some more events soon, also in Nairobi. Very soon, around the 3rd of March, we have one happening in Nairobi, and then we shall come back again to Mombasa in April. Thank you.